How to create a perfect webinar. Hey guys, this is Nikhil Sai. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your perfect webinar. First of all, what is a perfect webinar? Perfect webinar is an automated webinar, or a webinar which will actually convert, which is already converting good for you, right? So if you're running any, maybe selling some digital products, selling consultation, coaching programs, or any offers, services, something like that, maybe you're using webinars or you want to use webinars in your business. This is one of the effective ways you can automate your high ticket sales using a simple automated video, right? And webinars are not a way like you come on a camera, then you shoot, you have all the slides, then you shoot it as the way you want, and then you put it out and it converts. No, that's not how it works, right? So I personally recommend you to use the Russell Brunson's perfect webinar script, which is absolutely insane, right? So it works like magic. So first of all, have that as a base reference, then create all your slides, and then when you are actually coming back into the video stuff, when you have a video, right? First of all, I don't recommend you to directly automate the webinar, because you never know if it's gonna convert or not. Then you spend a lot of money, you check with the traffic, you spend thousands of people to the webinar, and it gives you less conversions and you feel bad about it because it's not converting, right? So it's not about the copy, it's not about the compelling story, it's not about the offer, it's the way the webinar flows, right? It comes down to the flow of how the webinar is being flown, right? So you should have the best flow possible with the webinar, and it's not going to be done in a single attempt, right? It's definitely not going to happen in a single attempt. So what I would recommend while you want to automate your first webinar process is, first of all, do launches at least 5 to 10 times, right? So you do the webinar live with at least like a 500 audience, or maybe at least 100 people on the live, right? So if you have 100 people on live, and if you do the live for 5 times, right, so it's going to be like overall 5 launches with 500 people on live, and then you see which webinar gave you the amazing results. So you tweak the webinar, you tweak the slides, you tweak your messaging, you tweak your offer, you tweak your story, right? Then you check which one is converting better. And let's say first webinar you got maybe like 3 sales, in the second webinar you got 8 sales, in the third webinar you got 2 sales, in the fourth webinar you got 6 sales, in the fifth webinar maybe you got 4 sales, right? So then you go with the second webinar, right? So you pick up the second webinar which actually got you 8 sales, which gave you the maximum conversions, then you repeat it, right, to make sure it is bulletproof, right? Then again, if you get the same conversion or good conversions, right, then you can say that the flow of the webinar which you did was amazing. Then what you do is you create the best version of it, and no, it doesn't need to be super fancy with all the softwares and stuff. I personally hate webinar software. You can directly use a Vimeo video integrated into the funnel. That's it. That's what I would recommend. So just have a webinar unskippable, right? That would definitely work with a simple timer, then an option to schedule a call or directly to the checkout page or the order page, right? As simple as that. You just tweak, you check with the live audience, check how the flow is coming out, check the number of people who are actually purchasing at the end of the webinar, right? You split test at least like 5 to 6 times, then you choose a winner, then you bulletproof it, you test that 3 to 4 times continuously, then you automate it, right? So this is how you get a perfect webinar which will connect like bulletproof, which will convert for sure, right? Because you tested it initially, then you bulletproofed it, you made sure that it is offer convincing, right? Then you actually automated it, right? If you follow this simple flow of creating a perfect webinar by doing multiple launches, getting the stats, seeing the numbers, you're not going blindly, right? You're data driven here. That's how you get success. You should be data driven. You're checking the numbers, and then you're automating this webinar which is actually converting. So this is the perfect way to create your first webinar. And again, if you want me to explain what should I speak on the webinar, it's a whole different thing. Again, it depends on your offer, your service, your product, your audience, your story, your copy, your messaging. There is a lot of stuff inside it, right? But what I would definitely recommend is like check out Russell Brunson's perfect webinar script, right? Or else you can even use funnel script. I leverage a lot of time for good webinar scripts. You can use that and get good quality content out of it. And again, it's just like a reference. You still need to, because you know your audience much better, right? So you need to tweak it, you need to add your own version to it, your own voice to it, your own soul to it, and that's how it sells, right? Create a good flow and it will convert for sure. Hope this is making sense, guys. Let me know if you have any more questions below in the comments, like tools, anything related to webinar. I personally don't like using any tools. I just use a simple video with non-skippable option, having a timer, simple button, that's it. As simple as that, right? Hope this is making sense. Let me know if you have any more questions. This is Nikhil Sai signing out. Peace.